Documenting the loss of your child and the long-term injuries of another is a daunting task. With the loss of Christine, the pain, grief, and sorrow are felt so deeply that they changed who we fundamentally are. The people that existed before the loss of Christine no longer exist. No one can go through an event of this magnitude without being altered. Parents aren't supposed to plan funerals for their kids. We missed our oldest daughter's high school graduation. And in its place, we received flowers that had been placed by a classmate on her empty chair during the ceremony. We missed taking her to college, seeing her grow into a young woman, finding a partner, being married, and becoming a mother. We don't know if her life's journey would have looked exactly like that, but we are plagued with the fact that we'll never know what great adventures this life held for her. Watching her friends go through these milestones is both beautiful and brutal. It's a constant reminder of what was taken from us, yet we can't help but be connected to them. We need to maintain these relationships as some of the few links that remain from Christine's young life. Christine's 2 brothers and 2 sisters miss her deeply. Their big sister is gone. A reality difficult for them to fully understand, but a burden they will bear for the rest of their lives. They have lost their sense of security and innocence. They have had more weight placed on them than is fair for children to bear. Young children shouldn't have to worry about their parents. The questions, what's wrong and are you okay, are heavy things for children to carry when they have grieving parents. We live with the reality that our youngest son will only have a handful of memories with Christine. 5 years of life is an awfully short time to have made impressionable memories with his sister. He likely won't remember what it's like to not have grieving parents. Our daughter Emma now has a lifetime of physical and emotional damage from this event. She's had to make decisions that are far beyond her age. Imagine being 14 and helping to plan your sister's funeral. Since she was the nearest in age, Emma was the sibling that knew her best. Emma knew exactly which photo should be used in the obituary because she knew it was Christine's favorite photo of herself. There are effects of this event on Emma that we are still discovering. Her brain has not been the same, and maintaining focus requires much more effort. Some of the coping skills she used previously for her learning disability are no longer effective and have had to be replaced with new and additional accommodations for schoolwork to help her be successful. We're still exploring whether some of these struggles are related to dyslexia or the result of her severe concussion. Because 2 of our children were the primary victims in this event, it forced us as parents to be physically divided during those early days, when what we needed and desired most was to be together as a family. Emma needed constant attention and an adult to monitor her care in the hospital. Because Michelle was overcoming health challenges and recent hospital discharge at this time, this task fell mainly to Michael. It is only because of the goodness of friends and family caring for Emma that he was able to come home for breaks. Michelle's health kept her from being able to care for herself, and since Michael was caring for Emma in the hospital, again, friends and family had to step in. Their help with meals, laundry, cleaning, errands, and child care were necessary for our family. Although we could never convey the full impact on our family, we hope that their court will understand the life-altering consequences of Mr. Hirschberger's actions on February 2nd, 2021. His sentencing should reflect the effects of his decisions and actions that day. We wouldn't want Mr. Hirschberger's life to be ruined, but we hope he recognizes his role in this event. We hope he takes the opportunities before him and uses them as a catalyst for good.
So Michelle,